Okay, here we go. I'm just going to wait for just a second. I'm doing a live video at the same time, recording the Hedgehog Hollow October box. I got this the other day and I wanted to do a quick unboxing. I do it every month because I am so excited about this box. Every time I get it, it's a surprise. There's something extra in there that I'm not expecting. And so, hi Laurie, it's so nice to see you. Hi Carrie. We're getting hi Karen, a few people joining us here, and I'm going to open this October box. I've already actually used this box, so I'm going to share with you what I've made out of it. But as I open it, you're going to see this is definitely an October box. It's got the orange paper, the black polka dots. It's like Halloween. So exciting. So I'm just going to get right into it and show you what came in this box. There's always a little bit of candy. And so this month I got some Fun Dip and a couple other little pieces that I already ate. That's just a fun touch that she always does. And then this card came with it. This was designed by Amber Brady, who always designs something cute to go in the box. So I don't know if you have seen these boxes before, but they always come with some coupons that you can use on the products that come in the box. So this month we have Tonic Studios, let's see, Ink Road Stamps, and Ellen Hudson. So that's a really fun thing too. It also came with this stamp for some a discount on Ink Road stamps. I love this sentiment. I'm so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers. Isn't that cute? That definitely looks like Ink Road. So there's some really fun things in here. This gingham ribbon is from Doodlebug Design. And then this, okay, is it better now, Carrie? I don't want to be blurry. Maybe I'm moving too fast. There we go. Okay. You'll notice that these spider brownies, there's one missing. That's because I've already used one, so I'm going to show you that card. But these are so cute. These have like little black gemstones on them. I don't know if you can see that. I'm recording again with two different video cameras, so I'm trying to make sure everybody can see. But those brownies are super cute from Doodlebug Designs, and then here's the stamps. These are probably some of my favorite stamp sets that have come in a box. Well, I shouldn't say that because I've liked a lot of them, but these are from the Ink Road stamps, and who can resist these cute little ghosts? And I have already used these, so some of this is hard to read. This says Boo right here, and then there's a giant Boo, Creep It Real, Too Cute to Spook, and Let's Get Hella Weird. And those little ghosts are so cute. Look, I stamped them out here on a little scrap. Look how cute they are. They are too cute to spook. And I don't know, do you guys make Halloween cards? I make Halloween cards just because I love some of the cute things that come out for Halloween, but I never send Halloween cards, sometimes to my nephews. But anyway, I have already made a Halloween card with these guys. And then this set came in it as well. This is called Octobers. And there's some cute leaves, a pumpkin, an acorn, of course a pumpkin spice latte. For me, that's going to be some hot chocolate, also with whipped cream. Some leaves here, and also this cute little hat, and a stack of books. This says, ready for fall since last fall. Whatever spices your pumpkin. And, of course, my favorite, I am so glad I live in a world where there are Octobers. I have some ideas for this set. I'm excited to use it. I haven't opened that set yet. That's going to be my next one. And look at all these goodies that you get in this box too. I mean, Nuvo drops. These are the new glow drops. They are green, and I haven't opened this. They have black on the top. Do you see that? I haven't opened these yet, but I'm going to try these out too. The glow-in-the-dark drops are going to be really fun. Then you also get these Nuvo crystal drops, and these are white and ebony black. And I did use some of those on my card also because I already had one of those. It looks like I haven't opened this yet, but I've used it. And then this is the new Storm Cloud Shimmer Powder. This shimmer powder is really neat. It's kind of like you drop it on your paper and it goes everywhere, a little bit like the, you know those powders that you can drop on? What are they called? The Ken Oliver color bursts. So it's kind of like that, and that's a shimmer powder. And then you, of course, I'm going to skip down to the bottom here. Oh, there's some licorice. You, of course, get your papers. Mine came also with an orange paper. This is a brown and it has a little bit of a texture to it. And there was also an orange paper in there, which I've used. This polka dot acetate, isn't that cute? And then, of course, your envelopes and card bases. And so you could make all your cards. And then this is what I haven't opened yet. This is kind of fun. This is, I'm going to open it right now. These are watercolor panels, and these are on Canson watercolor paper, so you can watercolor these up. So it looks like you get a couple of those bats, some of these pumpkins. Those are cute. Oh, look at this. How does this go? There we go. There's a pumpkin spice latte back here, some sunflowers, and a pumpkin. These are going to be really fun to color up, even with some Zig Clean Color markers. There's some acorns with flowers, very cute. And then this piece, which was the postcard that came in the kit, that is going to be really fun to color. Imagine all the colors you can put on there. And then some fall leaves. So all of that comes in the October kit, and it is so pretty. Let me show you really quick the card I made. I couldn't resist the gingham ribbon and those little ghosts, and there's my little spider right there. Too cute to spook. I added a few of the Nuvo drops. You see that? And then I also had to do my orange envelope. And so I just put this ghost on there. I used some of my colored pencils and just turned them a little bit white, added some shading and the boo. So I've got a cute little Halloween card to send to someone this year with a decorated envelope. So super sweet and easy. But this card kit for October is fantastic and full of beautiful things. And I know that you're going to love it. So if you haven't tried this, you can go to thehedgehoghollow.com to get more information. Also, I'll have this up on my blog soon, and I'll have some links so that you can go straight there if you want to find your way. But all of this stuff comes in the kit with your coupons, and when you subscribe normally, and every month, you can buy just 1 month of it at a time, but when you subscribe normally, you also get extras. So this month, I'm not sure what the extra was, but it was probably the shimmer powder or one of these extra Nuvo drops. And anyway, it's always worth it. I love this box. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Oops, forgot my paper there. And I hope you have a fantastic day. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining me. Bye.